Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting video from Natcom Store. We're thrilled to have you here with us once again. Today we have a playful and informative topic to discuss: the benefits of using a glass protector for your smartphone. So, let's dive right in. In today's video, we'll explore why using a glass protector is worth it and the advantages it offers. But before we get started, don't forget to check out Natcom Store for lots of great and trending products. Now, let's talk about the incredible benefits of using a glass protector for your smartphone. First and foremost, a glass protector provides excellent protection against scratches and cracks. Say goodbye to those annoying scratches and hairline cracks that can diminish the visual appeal of your device. Furthermore, using a glass protector helps preserve the clarity of your smartphone screen. It acts as a barrier, protecting your screen from fingerprints, dust, and other contaminants. The touchscreen experience remains enhanced with a glass protector. The modern glass protectors are designed to be ultra-thin, ensuring that you can enjoy the full sensitivity and responsiveness of your smartphone's touchscreen. Glare and reflection can be major annoyances, especially when using your smartphone outdoors. A glass protector with an anti-glare or anti-reflective coating significantly reduces the impact of glare and reflection, allowing you to view your screen clearly even under challenging lighting conditions. Installing and removing glass protectors is a breeze. Most glass protectors come with adhesive backing for a bubble-free installation. Plus, if you ever need to replace it, you can do so without leaving any residue or causing damage to your phone's screen. While investing in a glass protector may seem like an additional expense, it can save you money in the long run. Repairing or replacing a damaged smartphone screen can be costly, but using a glass protector prevents such damage, ensuring your smartphone continues to function optimally for a longer period. This ultimately saves you money. In addition to cost savings, using a glass protector helps maintain the resale value of your smartphone. By preserving the screen from scratches and cracks, your smartphone becomes more appealing to potential buyers, allowing you to command a higher price when selling or trading it in. Glass protectors offer customization and style options. Whether you prefer a sleek and transparent protector or a colorful and patterned one, there are options to suit every style preference. It's an excellent way to showcase your personality while keeping your smartphone safe. Using a glass protector doesn't hinder the functionality or compatibility of other smartphone accessories. You can still use cases, chargers, and other accessories without any issues. Glass protectors are designed to be thin and precise, ensuring a seamless fit with your phone while leaving room for other accessories to be connected or attached. Finally, one of the most significant benefits of using a glass protector is the peace of mind it offers. With your phone's screen protected, you can go about your day without worrying about accidental drops, scratches from keys or coins in your pocket, or other potential damage. It allows you to use your smartphone freely and enjoy its features without constantly being on edge about its vulnerability. So there you have it, folks. The benefits of using a glass protector for your smartphone are undeniable. From protection against scratches and cracks to preserving screen clarity, enhancing the touchscreen experience, reducing glare and reflection, and even offering cost savings in the long run, a glass protector is a wise investment. But remember, if you want to enhance your smartphone experience even further, don't forget to check out Natcom Store for lots of great and trending products. Thank you all for watching this video on the benefits of using a glass protector for your smartphone. We hope you found it informative and entertaining. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, take care and keep your smartphones protected.